I'm Lavonne, and we're in Lavonne's kitchen today, and I am making my garlicky baked potatoes with onions and peppers. So it's it's not spicy so much as garlicky because there's a lot of garlic in this recipe. So let's get at it. It's not a regular baked potato. The potatoes themselves are just baked. So let's get at it. I'm cutting up some red peppers, and I'm slicing them a little on the thin side, a little on the thin side. I can get my tongue to work, I can talk straight, that'd be nice. So our ingredients today are the red skin potatoes. We're going to have some sliced onions, some sliced green peppers, some minced garlic, some extra virgin olive oil, our salt, and our pepper. That's all we need for this recipe. It's very quick, it's very easy, and it is absolutely delicious. If you like garlic, you are going to love this dish. So, I'm making a lot because I have a couple people that I'm trying to feed. So, you know me, I don't know how to cook in small quantities, no way. So basically, I've got all my potatoes washed, cut up, and I'm just going to add onions. This is just one large onion. This was a very large onion. Just one. I'm going to just add the onions. I'm going to add my green peppers. I'm going to add my garlic. It's a lot of garlic. Then, make sure I get it all in there. I'm gonna add some salt. Potatoes need a lot of salt. I'm gonna add a lot of salt. I'm going to add my black pepper. Put a generous amount of black pepper. These potatoes will be a little on the spicy side, but just a little. Then I'm going to add a little extra virgin olive oil to them. I'm going to stir them up, coat them very well with the olive oil. And that's it. I'm going to stir them up, get everything all mixed together. I'm going to cover it with some aluminum foil and put it in the oven on 400 for 1/2 hour. So for all of you who are new to Lavonne's kitchen, if you have not hit that subscribe button, while this is going to go in the oven and while it's cooking, I need you all to make sure you go back and hit that button. Okay? So that first one is done. All I did was just stir it all up to incorporate, make sure all the salt and pepper was in there, that minced garlic is mixed in there very well, because that was a lot of garlic. And all I'm gonna do, now you can see it all all mixed up. I'm just gonna cover it up with a piece of aluminum foil. Like I said, I'm gonna put it in the oven for 1/2 hour on 400 degrees, and it will be done. There we go. Remember, if you have not already hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can see all of my recipes and you can request whatever it is you'd like to see cooked. Hi, and welcome back. So I checked the potatoes at 30 minutes and they were still not done, so I left them in for another 15. So it's been 45 minutes and our potatoes should be done now. So let's get our potatoes out of the oven and give them a taste. Yes, they're done now. So I'm gonna stir them up. Ooh, they're hot. I'm gonna stir them up. Put me a few on the plate. I can eat these all by themselves all day long because they are delicious. Look at that. You can see the peppers and the onions, and you can even see the minced garlic in there. So let's give it a taste. Ooh, they're hot. Mmm. Just the right amount of salt. Love the garlic. You can always add a little more garlic or a little less garlic, depends on how much you like garlic. I usually add a little more garlic for mine because I like garlic. Everybody can't tolerate that much, but you can always put a little bit less. But this is absolutely delicious, just like it is. So, there you go again. And like I said, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time in the kitchen. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.